gone into the ASL, dents on the boot, and she's definitely using her phone. I saw the screen is lit up. The screen is still lit up. Yellow case. Ahead we have a bus stop in the bus stop. Hazards on, so they're not moving, or likely not to be moving. Two bikes wanting to come out, I'll give her room. Pedestrian crossing up ahead. Pedestrians on both sides. Queue up ahead. No motorcycles. Nice and slow here. Is she on her phone again? Yes, she is. Oh dear. Yep, very clearly on her phone. Same number plates, yep. She got it right, because she was very down in her phone instead of looking around her like you're supposed to according to highway code. Maintain your situational awareness. You never know when a motorcyclist or a cyclist is going to filter past. I've gone too far here. And green.